If you try to learn Java programming by watching YouTube videos, buying expensive books, wasting tremendous amount of time searching online resources and Java documentation, but in the end, after all that frustrating work, still not able to make an application. Well, in this course, the Java programming language course, there is a different and effective learning approach. You'll learn Java development from scratch using Eclipse. Hi, I'm Paulo Shone, a Java programmer with over 11 years experience programming. I have built and published several apps in all major app stores such as Apple, Google Play, Barnes & Noble, and Amazon. I'm also the creator of a highly rated 5-star Android development course on Udemy, in which I teach students how to build Android apps from scratch. The course has received over 1,000 reviews and currently has over 13,000 satisfied students. 90% of the Fortune 500 companies have since used Java to develop desktop apps and website backend system. Java is a highly portable language. Furthermore, Android apps are also developed using Java since the Android operating system runs on Java language environment. Java is also the third most demanded skill on ArrayList. Many tech giants such as Google or Amazon also use Java to develop the backend of their websites. According to Indeed.com, Java developers are high demand compared to other programmers. Average salary of a Java developer is $92,000. What people seem to love about it is that each section ends with building a complete app using skills covered in that section. In that way, the course is extremely practical. In this Java programming language course, we'll start with the basics. I'll show you how to download Eclipse and set up Java development environment in your machine for both Mac and Windows. You'll then write your first Java Hello World. I'll teach you the fundamentals of the Java programming language. You'll create a few simple apps and finish up strong with a flashcard Java Swing application. Now, this is a hands-on course, so naturally the whole idea is to provide the tools and knowledge to build amazing Java applications. You'll learn by building Java applications. This course is going to be a great course for anyone wanting to learn Java from scratch. You will learn by building real-world applications. The course will take you from zero skills to being able to make any Java desktop app you want. There's no prior programming development experience required. If you want to learn a skill that has the potential to make you money, please get involved and take this course now. Thank you.